In this video, we'll see two clips of Mathis Dillit successfully demonstrating multi-directional change with ball control. I'll just play the first clip and then we'll go over some of his movements. It's just a quite short clip, but from here we can see that Dillit is anticipating an overhead ball whilst a attacker follows behind him. We can see that his body is upright, awaiting the ball to land. Then approaching the landing phase, we can see that his run going from a quite upright position, he then starts to stagger his steps as the ball is approaching the ground. Basically, these staggered steps allow his knees to flex and lower his center of mass. He's basically doing this because it enhances stability, which is crucial for a rapid change of direction maneuver. Here, he is basically nullifying the attacking pressure by shielding the ball with his body. When he does this, the attacker then pulls his arm. Pulls his arm, basically trying to break the shield, i.e. break his stability to then hopefully run around him and take the ball. Dillit reacts rapidly, repositioning his feet shoulder width apart, which is about here. He's basically doing this to provide himself with a broad base of support so he can efficiently transfer his weight, which he then uses to head the ball away from the attacker, opening up some space between him, the attacker, and the ball, for which it lands, and then he passes away, effectively getting rid of that danger. Now, for the next clip, I'll play it again and then we'll just review it. Again, quite a short clip, but let's go over it. Here we can see that the ball is played just in front of him, and we can see that the opposition team is using a high press and a lot of pressure. As we can see, this basically coming up into a 2v1. Noticing this danger, he then performs a sharp cut on what we call the penultimate foot here. This is basically the preparatory step for change of direction. We'll also see some postural adjustments here to his trunk lean and pelvis rotation. It's not the best angle to view this, but imagine his body is moving his body is positioned laterally to the direction he wants to go. He then performs this using that foot as a pivot point. He then performs that cutting maneuver, and we can tell from this this maneuver he's generated a lot of force, to which he takes an extra step to regain his stability, but he then accidentally hits the ball, misplaces it to then into an attacking threat from the forwards pressure. He then, again using his non-dominant foot as a pivot point, he then redirects the ball in a 180 degree turn, effectively again shielding the ball from the attacker with his body, then taking it away from danger and passing it.